Information gain. You're standing in front of your dataset. You need to ask a question that splits the data in the most useful way. But which question should you ask first? Outlook, humidity, wind? Today we'll learn a precise way to answer that. It's called information gain. Information gain measures how much uncertainty is reduced after a split. The idea is straightforward. Before the split, the data has some entropy. After the split, each subset has its own entropy. If the split creates purer subsets, we've gained information. The bigger the gain, the better the question. Here's the formula. Gain of S with respect to attribute A equals the entropy of S minus the weighted sum of entropies of each subset SV. The weight for each subset is its fraction of the total data points. We subtract the remaining entropy from the original. What's left is the gain. Let's work through the tennis data set. We have 14 days of data. 9 days we played tennis. 5 days we didn't. The entropy of the whole data set works out to about 0.94 bits, not 0, not 1, somewhere in between, reflecting that mix of yes and no. This is our starting entropy. Our goal is to reduce it. Now let's split on outlook. Sunny gives us 5 examples, 2 yes, 3 no. Entropy is 0.971. Overcast gives us 4 examples. All yes, entropy is 0, perfectly pure. Rain gives us 5 examples. 3 yes, 2 no, entropy is 0.971. The weighted average entropy after splitting comes to 0.693. So the information gain for outlook is 0.940 minus 0.693. That's 0.247 bits. Let's do one more walkthrough. This time for humidity. High humidity appears in 7 rows, 3 yes and 4 no. Entropy about 0.985. Normal humidity also has 7 rows, 6 yes and just 1 no. Entropy about 0.592. The weighted post split entropy is about 0.788. So information gain for humidity is 0.940 minus 0.788, about 0.152. Useful but weaker than outlook. Now we repeat this for every feature. Outlook gives a gain of 0.247. Temperature gives 0.029. Humidity gives 0.152 and wind gives 0.048. Outlook has the highest information gain, so it becomes our first split. This is the greedy strategy at the heart of decision trees. Always pick the feature that gives the most information right now. Why does outlook win? Look at its subsets. The overcast branch has entropy of 0. It's completely pure. Those 4 data points are fully resolved. No further questions needed. The other features don't produce any perfectly pure subsets. They leave more uncertainty on the table. One pure subset can make an enormous difference to information gain. So here's what our tree looks like after the first split. Outlook is at the root. 3 branches, sunny, overcast and rain. The overcast branch is done. It's a leaf node predicting yes, but sunny and rain still have mixed classes. They need further splitting, and that's exactly what happens. We apply information gain again recursively to each impure subset. The same process repeats until every leaf is pure, or we decide to stop. That's how we build the entire decision tree. Let's recap. Information gain tells you how much entropy a split removes. Calculate entropy before. Calculate weighted entropy after. Take the difference. The feature with highest gain becomes the next split. Then repeat recursively on each branch. In the next video, we'll walk through building the entire tree step by step.